This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. What do you have to say about training and the exam? Is it correlated, and how did you find it?
Yeah. So I did my training with a practicing company secretary firm in Bangalore, one of the very reputed firms, and it was a very good experience for me because the kind of learning one gets while doing things practically is little different when one just reads a book. So when you apply the law to various matters that you're dealing with, the kind of understanding you have is very different from then just reading it. Um, so it was challenging because as a student you have to balance both your internship as well as the studies.
Exams.
And I was very fortunate to have a company secretary, the firm where they were mindful of the requirements of a student and the time which is required to prepare. So I did get sufficient leave and everything for preparing for the exams. But that training serves you very well. It serves you well for your next step as a company secretary or part of a corporate secretarial team, wherever one would go. But it serves you really well. And in fact, there were certain instances I recollect that some of the work which I had done practically in my like internship days, there were a couple of questions which came up in the company law exam, which I was able to answer that purely because I had dealt with that matter. So it is like you need to ensure you are studying, you are just not doing work. You need to find the right balance. It helps, but it helps, and then it's on one's appetite to be honest, like what they would want to do, whether do they want to study and as well as do the internship or just pass the exams first and then do the internship. It's left to one's choice, but I think there are pros and cons to both, and yeah, I think both are doable. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. But also now, I think ICSI is coming out with some policies where you have to do the internship along with your studies. But of course,
Okay.
the that effective date is not at there. But earlier we had the choice. In fact, I was Arjun's co-trainee, and I should say even I learned a lot, not only from the firm but also from Arjun. As a side note, I just wanted to add that. Um, anyway, now that you told that how important training is and it's integral part of the entire course, um, how did you feel when you first cleared CS? Like, how was that feeling? Because it's quite a long journey from the time we
It's
start.
yeah, it's a sense of satisfaction more than anything. It's like, see, this is one course you are not going to pass by luck. You have to really put in your hard work,
True.
and it's a professional exam, so it requires a particular standard of quality from the person writing the exam. So once you pass through that, you do feel that yes, I am a professional. I am a person who is now a member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. So one of the only three professional bodies in India. So that sense of satisfaction is there, confidence, and you feel good. It's a feel good factor to pass through one of these bodies. Yeah.
Yeah, I think really happy that you shared that, because more often than not, especially during the time of being a student, I think most of our audience also, they get caught up with small things like exam or the ICSA didn't do this or smaller things like that. But end of the day, like you put, you're joining a very exclusive club. That is, there are three professional bodies and you're becoming a member of one of the professional bodies. And so basically, you're in a very exclusive and amazing club, and I am sure that all of you who are watching this also will be inspired that you want to be part of the this club or this ICSI very soon.